Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we're going to show you a product assembly of the Casa 3P tab, the 3 stacking side tables. Let's go in and open up the box. Step 1, we're going to, on the legs, we're going to use plug G and we're going to stick them on the narrow side of each leg. Here's part G, so legs. We're going to do this for all the legs. Step 2, we will be using D, which is the biggest board, along with A, which is the largest legs, along with the screws and the Allen key. So when assembling the legs, make sure the straight side is on the outside. Just like this. Straight outside, curvature inside. Alright, so when you're tightening the screws, don't over tighten or you can damage the screws of the board at the bottom. Step 4, we're going to use board number F along with legs C. So, and screws. So first leg, as I said, flat side, outside. When screwing, just go, don't tighten too much as you can damage the board. Step 5, we're going to be showing you how to put them away from storage. We're going to put the smaller one at the bottom. The middle one, we're going to encapsulate them. It's here. And finally, large one. Thank you for watching our product assembly of the Casa 3P tab, our 3 stacking side tables. So please go onto our website www.lasa.africa to visit more of our products and more product assemblies. Thank you.